Alamin muna natin ang paghahanda ng oldest existing film industry awards giving body sa awards night. Ito ho, kasama ho natin ang kasalukuyang Pangulo ng FAMAS, si Miss Francia Conrado. Francia, magandang hapon po.
Isang pinagpalak at magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat at sa lahat ng televiewers ng inyong napakagandang show.
Salamat po Ma'am Francia. Imagine 72 years na palang FAMAS. Oo, I'm interested dito sa dala-dala niyo po. Parang parang noon-noon pa to. Yan pa po.
Time immemorial, this is the trophy of FAMAS. Never pa po itong napalitan.
Oo nga eh. Sino pa nag-design ba niyang FAMAS? Famous na babaeng may hawak na film reel, di ba?
Actually, is Miss Rosa Rosal.
Tita Rose.
Si Ma'am Rosa
siyang model.
Rosal.
Yes.
Siya palang model.
Time immemorial, ito po ang nag-iisang FAMAS trophy. This is made of brass and this is 3.5 kilos.
Oh, mabigat. Papo, di ba na-interview mo?
Yes,
Doon mo nalaman na nalaman mo na?
Hindi.
Na siya
yung... nga nalaman na si Tita Rose pala.
We actually have awarded Miss Rosa Rosal in one of our FAMAS Awards night.
Sadly nga, si Tita Rose ay nasa kama na lang. Hindi na siya masyado nakakaikot. Pero sometimes she watches us, no? Baka naman nanonood si Tita Rose.
Tita Rose,
hello
how are
po sa
you?
inyo. Meron na rin kasi siyang dementia. No? Meron na rin no?
Mami Rose ang tawag ko sa kanya.
Anyway, ano po bang aasahan natin sa FAMAS? Meron po bang event na nangyari?
The 72nd FAMAS will be on May 26, Sunday, at the Manila Hotel Fiesta Pavilion. Isa po ito, o maaring ito na yung pinaka-star-studded FAMAS.
Kasi no pandemic, wala, natigil, hindi po ba?
Yeah,
online
but
lang,
still we have virtual FAMAS Awards during the pandemic.
Virtual lang.
Never a year na wala po ang FAMAS. Sabi nga natin, kahit sa ilalim ng puno ng kamatis, may FAMAS tayo.
Pa rin. Hindi pwedeng wala.
Hindi pwedeng
kahit
wala.
may pandemic pa.
Kahit may pandemic.
What to expect on Sunday?
Well, this is a gathering of stars. Just like nung time na sila Sir Julius, meron po tayo ngayong iconic movie king and queen of Philippine cinema.
Sino kaya?
We have 16. We have Sharon Cuneta,
mga
Divina Valencia.
Nominees.
No, awardees.
Awardees
already ng iconic.
So they know
Divina
already.
Valencia, Marisa Delgado, Perla Bautista. Ang dami pong mga veteran stars and they're very excited to attend. Likewise with mga lalaki din, king of Philippine cinema, iconic.
Sino-sino mga pupunta
Eddie
po?
Gutierrez, Robin Padilla, Coco Martin, Lito Lapid, and so on.
Star-studded nga. Pero syempre strictly invitational to. Or makakapunta po ba ang mga fans? Pwede bang pumunta yung mga fans sa
Of
Manila
course,
Hotel?
they can have a gallery pass because this is ticketed and we have dinner show.
Dinner show din siya. Wow, ang bongga.
FAMAS
Papo.
getting out of the box for the last few years. Hindi po kami nagkaroon ng kailanman ng mga dinner awards night. But this kasi also we would like ang ating mga fans din from the higher echelon of the society. They're so excited to join us. And before kasi I would always say we owe FAMAS to the fans. Kailangan po natin ito we give it back. Kaya theater type most of the time. But this time around, very excited din sila. And they're buying tickets. They're buying tickets.
Ang FAMAS ba, ma'am, pang movies lang siya, hindi siya pang TV?
Pang movies lang po. But who really knows? Biglang.
Kasi nga po, di ba, medyo tumamlay po yung mga pelikula, di ba? Lately.
Kasi
Lahat po nakakonsentrate na ngayon sa television.
Because it is easier
Oo.
na magawa ng mga TV. Sabi nga natin sa modernong panahon ngayon, kahit sa cellphone, pwede tayong gumawa ng short film.
True.
Less expensive, pero magaganda na rin. And the guys, mga bata natin ngayon, mas dynamic sila, mas aggressive.
Matanong ko lang kayo, ma'am, kasi recently nag-viral yung parang pagbebenta ni Nino Mulak doon sa kanyang FAMAS trophy kay Boss Toyo. Ano po ang reaction niyo ron, ma'am? Ano masasabi niyo?
My personal take, and also my stand as FAMAS president. Once this award is given to anyone, this becomes their personal belonging. Whenever, wherever, whatever, kung ano ang plan nila that would really make them happy, I'm fine with it. But, kasi I'm watching that Nino Mulak, sabi niya, I have 5 FAMAS trophy. And one of them, I wanted it in the museum na kailangang aalagaan nila, i-restore,
Yeah.
at never nilang ibibenta. So that when time comes, wala na ako or what, I still have one. Not in my house, but in the museum.
For the public to see.
Yes,
Kasi
for
nga,
the-
yun ang goal ni
Yun ang
Boss
goal,
Toyo.
yeah.
Magkakaroon ng
Maganda
museum.
naman. Maganda
so,
naman.
tama naman. For posterity.
Maganda
din.
naman.
Oo.
But I would always say, either itago mo ito, ibenta mo or what. This is priceless.
Yeah,
This
that's
is
true.
a collector's item. Walang pwedeng pumantay. Kung ano mang presyo niya, 500, 1 million, 2 million. This is a priceless possession.
Ako may tanong, ma'am. Itong FAMAS po, para ito yung katumbas ng Oscars.
Yes.
Na yung kapwa peers ang nag-nominate at bumoboto sa mga mananalo. Kung baga, kung artista ka, artista rin yung mag-nominate
Hindi
sa'yo.
po.
Tama po ba?
In my term as FAMAS president, before that, ang nakalagay talaga sa aming is yung mga entertainment writers and editors. But these entertainment writers and editors, minsan they become director na rin. Meron ng parang conflict of interest.
Yeah.
Kung dun lang tayo kukuha. So, I started, me kasi being part of MTRCB for 6 years as board member, I learned a lot there. Kumbaga, nangyari, I decided na ang jury ng FAMAS will be multi-sectoral.
Ayun na, multi.
Because the opinion of a lawyer is not an opinion of a regular housewife. The opinion of the student is not the opinion of the director.
So, good mix na to.
Good
of
mix
mga,
na po.
yung mga sa jury.
Jury.
Nice
May
to
youth
know that.
sector, may academ,
Oo.
may
And
ordinaryong
during
tao
your term lang po to nangyari. Binago nyo
Yes.
during your
It's now
term.
I'm now on my 10th year.
So 10 years na ganito
10
na.
years
Ah,
na ganyan.
I see. Thank you for that. For enlightening us with that. Oo.
Ma'am, invite na ho natin yung mga viewers natin or may mga announcement pa ho kayo gusto nyo parating sa publiko. Go ahead.
Yes, on May 26, the 72nd FAMAS would be staged at the historic Manila Hotel, the home of FAMAS. Red carpet starts at 4 p.m. onwards, and we will be launching also the very first FAMAS Prestige Award. This is the rebranding that FAMAS will have to undertake after the annual awards, the category awards, because there are a lot of requests. Paano po ba kami ma-awardan sa FAMAS? Hindi ko naman po pwedeng ihalo sila sa FAMAS purely for entertainment.
Yeah.
So in the FAMAS Prestige Award, we will be having the prominent people in the Philippines, also abroad. Mga Filipino have really achieved a lot that they will have to recognize. But we'll be very strict with the screening also. We have researchers because we wanted to award who is the best farmer in the Philippines, who is the best doctor in the Philippines,
nice.
who
Mga
is the best
professionals.
newscaster.
Oo.
Lahat-
Yung sa labas
lahat
ng
pong
showbiz.
Sa labas ng
Yung mga
showbiz.
accomplished na mga
People
tao,
that matters.
awardan nyo
Special
yan.
awards.
Yes.
Nice, nice.
They're really people that matters.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Mama.
Francia.
Thank you so much.
Thank you too for having me here and the chance for FAMAS. Nasa suporta nyo na patuloy nyong ini-ere din.
Anytime, ma'am.
Everything.
Anytime.
Bukas
You're always
lagi ang
welcome
aming
in our
tahanan
show.
sa Julius and Tintin
Our
para po sa
pleasure.
inyo.
Nandito po
you.
lahat.
Baka
ang
pwede namin
aming
maimbitahan
Sila,
yung mga
hello.
mananalo. yung mga
Yes.
awardan, di ba,
Oo.
Papu?
Mga best
Oo.
actor,
Mga best actors, yeah.
actress.
I hope you
Yeah.
can join us in the awards.
Tingnan po
tonight.
na, Sunday kasi to.
It's a glitz and glamour.
Family.
Sige
Family
po.
day.
Sige po.
Pero thank you so
Kumbaga,
much for the
this will be our
invitation.
chance to be with us, yung mga veterans actors natin. Nabihira ng Pilar Padilla, Marisa Delgado, Divina Valencia.
Nandun lahat sila,
Miss
no?
Gloria Diaz.
Star-studded. no?
Pilar Pilapil, and we have the oldest artista living. We have the 97-year-old Pilar Padilla.
Pilar
She's
Padilla?
coming.
97?
Yes. Gloria Romero is 90 years old. And Greg Martin is 94. Pero matitikas pa sila.
Si Miss Gloria will also be there?
I don't
Pupunta
think
na.
so. It's Marites
It's a
coming.
gathering of
Marites
stars
coming.
talaga.